Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get perfectly unbreakable in Division 2. We will begin by understanding the fundamental principles of this incredibly resilient build. Our primary goal is to maximize your agent's armor and overall survivability, making you a formidable force on the battlefield. We will then delve into the essential gear pieces, talents, and attributes required to achieve this. Finally, I will guide you through optimizing your playstyle to truly become an unstoppable agent. To forge your unbreakable agent, the Foundry Bulwark gear set is absolutely crucial, providing significant armor bonuses. You will want a chest piece featuring the Unbreakable talent, which restores 25% of your armor when it's depleted every 45 seconds. For your backpack, consider talents like Adrenaline Rush for bonus armor or Protector to buff allies. Always prioritize gear pieces that roll with high core armor attributes and substantial armor regeneration. Beyond the core gear, optimizing your talents and attributes is key. The Unbreakable talent is your cornerstone, providing a vital armor reset. For attributes, stack as much total armor as possible across all 6 gear pieces. Additionally, prioritize armor regeneration to passively recover health and hazard protection to mitigate status effects. A secondary talent, like Adrenaline Rush on your backpack, can provide a burst of bonus armor when enemies are close, further enhancing your tankiness. Mastering the Unbreakable playstyle involves strategic engagement and skill usage. Always deploy a shield skill, such as the Crusader or Bulwark shield, to absorb massive amounts of incoming damage. A Reviver Hive is an excellent choice for your second skill, offering a crucial self-revive. Your role is to draw enemy fire, protecting your teammates, and controlling the battlefield. Engage aggressively, but be mindful of your armor status, allowing Unbreakable to proc when needed to maintain your frontline presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.